In this video, I will show you how to hook up either a cab cam or an egg cam camera to a Versatile tractor 2012 or newer that has EHRs, so the ones with the EHR monitor in it, whether it's a Delta Track or a wheeled unit. First of all, you want to check behind the EHR monitor to make sure that it has this gray cable sticking in the back here. Gray cable, blue end, 90-degree 5-pin. If it does not have this cable, you'll need to order it. See the part number below. The earlier models, starting in 2012, did not have this cable come stock, but all the newer ones should. And it just runs down here, down the armrest, and back to behind the seat, and you'll see later where it ends up. First of all, you'll want to remove these 4 screws seen here. You'll need a T20 Torx bit to remove them. It'll just make it a lot easier to plug in the cable behind. Next up, remove this plug right here, number 1. Next, you want to plug this into the back of the monitor. Just make sure that everything lines up correctly in the grooves, and then you'll just spin this threaded piece into the threads in the back there. So it'll look like this when you have it all plugged in correctly. Now you'll want to remove the panel that is behind the seat. Turn that little knob and lift up. So after removing the panel, now you want to locate down here this gray cable and this end here. So this is the other end of the cable that you just plugged into the monitor. These are the 2 types of cameras I'll be showing you how to hook up. The one on the left here is a cab cam with a 4-pin, and the one on the right is an egg cam with a 5-pin. Behind the seat here at this end of the cable, if you look, it is a 5-pin. So the egg cam can be connected right into that, but the cab cam, you will need an adapter cable. This is an adapter cable needed for the cab cam. So the 5-pin end there on the right, you will plug in to that end down there, and the 4-pin will connect right to the camera. So now I've connected the adapter cable to the cable under the panel behind the seat on one end, and into the cab cam on the other end. So now we'll go over to the monitor, click on the little camera logo, and you'll be getting a live video. And then to return to home, just simply hit the little button with the house on it. So to connect the egg cam, all you need is the 5-pin extension for however long you want, and just plug it into the same cable behind the seat under the panel. So to run your extension cables out the bottom of the cab, you'll just need to plug it into the gray cable there on one end and route it down. You'll see there's some gray foam down there. You'll need to just run it through there. That foam is just sealing the hole, just so you don't get dust or water in there. So just route it right to that corner and down to the back of the tractor if you're wanting to do a rear camera to mount it back there, or if you're wanting to go further back, you'll just need different lengths of extensions for whatever it is you're wanting to use your camera for. So just a couple of side notes. You can only connect one camera to this monitor, and also you can only use cameras that are in the PAL format. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments. Thank you.